Hi guys, today we're going to try to solve the FizzBuzz question in JavaScript. Its logic is fairly simple, but a lot of people get it wrong because they think there is one trap in this question. So let's go over the question. Today's algorithm is FizzBuzz. Write a program that prints all the numbers from 1 to 100. For multiples of 3, print fizz. For multiples of 5, print buzz. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, print FizzBuzz. I will show you the diagram to solve this algorithm. I just followed the logic in the FizzBuzz questions in order. What does the question say? It says the input number will be 1 through 100. So we will enter a number one by one, starting from 1. Let's call that number I. Now, when I is divisible by 3, it will print fizz. For example, 6 divided by 3 is 2 and its remainder is 0. So 6 is divisible by 3, so it will print fizz. Next, when I is divisible by 5, it will print buzz. For example, 25 divided by 5 is 5 and its remainder is 0. So 25 is divisible by 5, so it will print buzz. Next, consider I equals 15. 15 can be divided by 3 and it's also divisible by 5, right? So it will print FizzBuzz. How about 4? It's not divisible by 3 nor 5, so it prints out I itself. And here I is 4, so it prints out 4. But there's a problem here. When I equals 15, it checks if 15 is divisible by 3 here, so it prints fizz. It won't check the other conditions, so it will print fizz instead of FizzBuzz. To overcome this situation, I rearranged the conditions. Here we check if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5 first. So when I equals 3, the first condition becomes false and it checks the second condition. Since 3 is divisible by 3, it prints fizz. The same thing when I equals 5, the first condition becomes false and it goes to the second condition. The second condition is also false since 5 is not divisible by 3, so it goes to the third condition, which is true, so it prints buzz. If I equals 15, then the first condition is true, so it will just print FizzBuzz. Now we are done with the theory part. Let's flip into VS Code and let's implement it in JavaScript. Okay, so we are in VS Code now. The function name is FizzBuzz. And we are going to loop through 1 to 100. If I is divisible by 3 and if I is divisible by 5, we print FizzBuzz. I'm going to speed up a little bit. Else if I is divisible by 3, we print out fizz. Else if I is divisible by 5, we print out buzz. And else we print out I itself. We need to call the function. Let's run the function. See, 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz, fizz, 7, 8, fizz, buzz, 11, fizz, 13, 14, FizzBuzz. So it looks like it's working fine. Okay, so I will see you next time. Happy coding!